In order to get the car looking as good as possible, I'm going to be using Shine Armor's FORTIFY Quick Coat, which is a ceramic based coating that applies super easily. To start off, all you need to do is wash and dry your car just like you normally would. Once you're done, you simply spray your microfiber cloth with the FORTIFY Quick Coat, spray the surface that you're covering, wipe it down, flip the cloth, and give it one last wipe, and you're good to go. You guys know how much I absolutely love ceramic coatings like this. They make washing and maintaining a beautiful shine on your car so easily, and this coating especially is amazing. I often have issues with streaking from other brands in the past, but the FORTIFY Quick Coat was so easy to work with, even working on window glass to help water run right off during the rain. I am so happy with how the Miata looks, and a huge thanks to Shine Armor for sending this out. It made the car look so good. Super easy to apply. You just spray it right on, you wipe it off, and it looks so good. I mean, just look at it. I mean, we haven't even addressed the orange peel yet, and look at that reflection on the hood. This car looks amazing, and we haven't even wet sanded and buffed it, which we're gonna do because painting in the cold didn't turn out so well. But oh my goodness, this is such an amazing coating. This is gonna make the water bead right off. Cannot wait for the finale episode to get this car completely finished. This looks absolutely amazing. I'm so happy to get to this point, to be able again to go from this smashed car to this. That's just incredible.